Hello all, in this video we will know about tone function and how to use it in Arduino. So for understanding the tone function we will type in simple Arduino code. I have declared my pin as 9 and output. Now we'll type as tone pin comma frequency. This is the syntax. So it will be it as 9 and frequency as 2000 and delay second 1 second. So we will connect the circuit and upload this program. Now I have connected my buzzer to digital pin number 9 and grounded it. Now I will upload this program. Thank you. For more videos, subscribe to my channel.